baby, you look good as fuck. She said she my eye, but I don't know her. Had to look her up. I know that I'm rich, but I can help it, bitch. I'm good as fuck. I've been on these bitches' necks so long, sometimes I fucking stuck. I can put you in my business. You might wish me dead tomorrow. Bitches be on dick today, sing every word of up tomorrow. Bitch, I still got cases open. Keep your mouth shut tomorrow. Play with me today, then get some sleep. You know it's up tomorrow. Fake bitch, that's why my friend fucked on your nigga. Both you bitches pussy, I think y'all should scissor. She bought a chain, I bought the same one, even bigger.
And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Hey guys, we're currently on our way to a nail salon because the first thing that I need to do is get my toes and my eyebrows done. I need to get my eyebrows waxed and I need to get my toes did because for some reason in pictures my toes always look bad. So we have to get that done right now. Alright y'all, so we gotta get these eyebrows done and I'm scared.
I know, girl, but you know from the first time I seen your love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I will fall for you, you got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell so deep, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I want you for
me. Y'all, look at my eyebrows. I just got them done and they look so good.
Okay guys, I know y'all are what they got going on? Hello? I have a clock right now and we're walking to the coffee place. I know y'all are used to aesthetic vlogs, but this vlog will just not be it because one thing about me, I'm gonna get comfortable. So I just got my toes done. They look 10 out of 10. I got my eyebrows did. I'm gonna show y'all tomorrow, but yeah, I'm about to get some coffee. Tomorrow is my hair appointment. I'll probably like actually start the vlog then, but yeah, I just want to record. Okay, bye guys.
sometime. I don't know about you, but it ain't a crime. If you let me love you for a long time, baby. If you let me touch and if you let me love you till the morning.
Okay guys, so it is the next day and it's currently 11:11 right now. As y'all can see, I look a mess right now, but once in a while I always look a mess when it comes to maintenance videos. Don't mind that. I just came from school. If y'all don't know, I have a half day, so I be getting out around like 10 o'clock. So my hair appointment is basically once I'm done eating because me and my friend went to go sit down and eat before she does my hair. So she gonna braid out my hair, she gonna do my hair in cornrows, then later on I'm gonna get my nails and my lashes done today, my makeup done tomorrow, and then I'm gonna go to get my senior pictures done. Y'all know that one feeling when you get to your stylist like place and then you finally sit in her chair? Like, I don't know, it's something different once you get into your stylist chair. Like, I'm so excited. Y'all can see it on my face. I'm so excited. I was low-key going through it, so this is like my first time getting my hair did after me going through it. It's my first like maintenance, like toes did, eyebrows did, hair about to be did, I'm about to do some henna, nails about to be did. This is everything.
Oh my God, Chloe. I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, don't alley loop. Turns out I'm the nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the ooze? Still running around with more, get ready, pack to go, yeah. People probably think I show up, I ain't even get it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Should've stayed with Billy Guy, turning it and get. Miles up in the air, only time I get some Z's. Full cook press put on their neck and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this check, it ain't nowhere near easy. Had to fall back, you know I let go, we only speaking briefly. Hope I'm not too much to handle. See this nigga from Atlanta, I spent my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo. $100,000 kit, could've put down on another Lambo. Don't be in the mix, I built this shit forever, have to say so. This shit She gon' get serious about my money, this ain't no fucking play though. Wrote it down for double homicide, I try to tell him lay low. See, don't like the drive, but he spin good, I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47s in the spots before they made the Draco. I'm just tryna ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling bills. I'm the boss, pay all the bills, I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still, I need equity to side.
As y'all can see, the hair is dead. The hair is dead. We about to, yo, I don't even know what to say, but the hair is dead. So I have to go get my lashes did, and I also have to get my nails done. And this is my first time ever getting black. Like, I've been doing every color but the normal stuff. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Okay, guys, I'm gonna see you guys on the way to my lash appointment. Guys, so we're in the car. I'm passing the camera. Go say hi. Oh shit. Guys, so what's up? Anyways, but yeah, we're about to go pick up my grandma, and then we're going to my house so we can get her lashes done. Yeah, book me, y'all. Okay. I'm going to her house. Hey guys. So now we're at the eyelash appointment, so we're about to see how this goes. Let me show you guys. Wait, what's your business name? Let's see what my Mia is talking about.
Alright, y'all. So what's up? It's me, my Mia, and today I'm gonna be giving you a tour of my studio. Okay. So first we have the lashes that we're gonna use.
Okay.
I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but we're gonna make them shake and taste.
Okay.
Then we have the ghetto ass glue. Now this shit right here, this is strong as fuck. This shit gonna rip your eyes out, but it's okay. She in good hands though. This for the glue, you know, you gotta put the little glue in the little rings and stuff. That's real professional. Then you got these fat ass scissors to you know, cut this up. And then we got the tweezers, the 360 grippers, and yeah. How the fuck on that though? I'm like, the fuck? That I know won't happen. No, we need to get some African shit. Yo, you red lebo.
Early in the morning, late at night. It don't even matter what time it is. Presidential rolling, RM, wait. Whenever I found time, it's okay. ATL Jacob. Pray for my demons, girl, I got you. Every time I sip on codeine, I get vulnerable. Annoying the sounds of the storm when it comes. She understand I can't take her everywhere a nigga going. I've been in the field like the children of the corn. I can hear the tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at yourself cause you can't leave me alone.
So we're at my nail appointment and we're about to get my nails did. You wanna say hi?
Get with me. Follow your girl on Instagram at beyinabarbie. That's what she's talking about. I said that in every video.
When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel. Exactly what it is. I'll say it cause you know that's why I want to hear.
Yeah. I've been trapping around the world. I sit on my balcony and wonder how you feeling. I got a career that takes my time away from women. I cannot convince you that I love you for a living. I be on your line, feelings flowing like a river. You be texting back, you and Kiki on the river. Murder, she. Mississauga things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah. Mississauga things are so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it. I've been to New York and I've been to Houston and nothing's better than you, girl. Came to conclusion, yeah. 22 and you've been through things that you never should have ever been through. Girl, I know you're 22 have seen something that you never should have.
Hey guys, so we're back home. So we're back home, y'all. As y'all can see, the face maintenance is done for today, at least. Like, you know, let me just run down everything that I've done so far because now I'm home. I'm about to wind down. Let me tell y'all what I've done. All right, y'all. So basically, I did my eyebrows on Monday. I also got my toes did as well. And then today I got my wig. I got my wig installed, period, bouquet effect. And then I also got my lashes did by my cousin, Mint by Mia. Not too much. Her business doesn't actually exist, but it's coming. We're going to manifest it for her. And then I got my nails did, Dazzled by Evie. Not too much. And then tomorrow, I'm about to get my makeup done, and then we're going to take the pictures. And I've been hearing so much stuff like, make sure you come on time because these people don't play. 2 of my friends had to get their appointments canceled because they came like 1 to 3 minutes later than the time scheduled. So when I tell y'all I'm really trying to be on man time tomorrow, like I'm really trying to be on man time. My appointment is for 11 in the morning. That's when my makeup appointment is done. So I should be done no later than 1 o'clock. And then my appointment is at 2:15. So I'm gonna leave the house at like 1:50 so I can get there around 2:13. Even 1:50 is a little bit late. My school's like 10 minutes away. Yeah, I'll probably leave at like 1:50. But yeah, I'm super excited for tomorrow. When I come home, I'm gonna just like pack everything. I low-key have everything written down in my notes. I'm excited. I'm excited because this is the first time that I've been cute in a while. Like, y'all, I was going through it. I look good. I look fly. I'm ready to have a good time. So it's the next day, and today is the day of my senior pictures. But obviously, I still got school. So I still gotta go to school today, and I'm gonna leave at 10. My appointment, ignore my lip mask, y'all. My appointment is at 11 o'clock. But y'all, the maintenance is really maintenancing. The only thing I'm sad I didn't get to do was do my henna because I really wanted to do it on my hands. But it's okay. I'll probably do it after the pictures because I was also a little bit scared that like it would mess up my pictures in general. But yeah, y'all, my nail tech really did a good job. My cousin did great on the lashes. My hairstylist, she knew what to do. She knew. I didn't even have to say too much. But yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna go to school with the curlers in my head. I'm gonna go to school just like this because I'm only there for 2 hours anyway, and my makeup appointment is immediately after. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna see you guys when we're done with school.
Hey y'all, so you know, Julie looking sweet. You know, I take my senior pictures on Friday. You know, I just wanted to say what's up to the vlog. Bye, y'all. Ah! I'm running to the Uber, y'all.
Hello, is this Lyft for Julian?
Wait.
Is someone messing with you? Someone's messing with you?
Thank you, sir, already.
Did you close that door properly? I'm so excited to get my makeup done. I just got my makeup done since my birthday. It feels so liberating to get your makeup done, guys.
You know I feel no new man, you know I'm not a stranger. You want to know what you comfortable. You want to be, you're comfortable. I know, no. I know, I can't let you go. I know.
Okay, guys, so this is the final look. Period. She looks so good.
Give that pepper. On my cushion. Period.
Whatever that means. So we're currently waiting on the Uber. As y'all can see, my makeup is very much done. Period. We're probably gonna get something to eat, but we're gonna stop at my house first, and then we're gonna get something to eat, and then after we eat, we're gonna go to my pictures. Well, I'm gonna put my outfit on, then we're gonna go to my pictures, but
I need to order my shit in.
You put this necklace before you finish
Vamos, mis amores, dale, mis amores. Vamos, mis amores, dale. Esa es la vecina que puede. Vamos, mis amores, dale, mis amores. Vamos, mis amores, dale.
So my friend is helping me get ready for Russian.
okay, guys, so we just hit school.
I'm excited, and it's 2:11, so my appointment's at 2:15, so I'm so glad I made it in on time because I was low-key scared.
And wash me over until my will runs dry. Sins all over me, baby, baby.
So we just finished my senior pictures. Let me tell you guys how senior pictures went because we're finally home. My senior pictures were literally so successful. I'm so glad that I came on time. I look so good. I wish I might have to pop back out with this pink joint because it looks good. I look expensive as I don't know what. I don't know. But yeah, guys, if you made it to the end of this video, I just want to thank you so much. I was just glad I was able to get all my maintenance done with no issues, get my pictures done with no issues, and everything good. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bitches be on dick today, sing every word of tomorrow. Bitch, I still got cases open. Keep your mouth shut tomorrow. Stay with me today, then get